In this video of Art Integrated Project, I am going to explain about my chosen topic, that is modern periodic table. This was made by Henry Moseley in 1913. The laws of modern periodic table state that the properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Here, the elements were arranged in order of increasing atomic numbers. It has 7 horizontal rows called periods and 18 vertical columns called group. If you see what about their properties, so gradual change in properties of element from left to right across a period and drastic shift in properties of element between period. Here the elements in a periodic contain the same numbers of cells, and in a period the atomic number increase by 1 unit. After reading something about the periodic table, there are some facts of it. First one is the ionization energy increase across a period because decrease in size of the atom that leads to increase the attraction power, so need more energy to remove the outermost electron. Next, second one is ionization energy decrease across a group. The reason is increase in atomic size result in decrease in nuclear attraction. Now if you see about the electron affinity, it states that the energy released when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom. Electron affinity increase across a period due to decrease in atomic size, and electron affinity decrease across a group due to increase in atomic size. If you see in the term of atomic size decrease in moving from left to right across the period because due to the increase in nuclear charge tends to pull the electron closer, result in decrease of atomic size, and atomic size increase down the group because new cells are being added that increase the distance between the outermost electron and nuclear charge decrease. Now if you see in terms of metallic and non-metallic properties, so we know that metals tends to lose electron while forming bonds, that is their electropositive in nature, and non-metals are electronegative in nature because they tends to form bonds by gaining electron. Here we can also predict the nature of oxide formed by the element because oxides of metals are basic and that of non-metals are acidic in general. Hence across the period acidic properties increase and basic properties decrease, and vice versa for the groups.